Alright, fellow motorcycle enthusiasts, Kawasaki riders, Facebook and YouTubers, I am going to review some parts, some gears and shifting forks that I recently purchased for the repair of my 93 ZX7. And I took them to a dealer. I'm not going to say local because it was 40 miles away, but that was the probably the closest one I could find. Kawasaki dealer. And I spoke with the manager of the department. I guess he's a mechanic, but or was a mechanic. But basically he looked over the parts for me and showed me things that were wrong. And bottom line, at the end of the conversation, he said that given the age of the bike and the availability of the parts, he thought that there would be no issue using these parts. So in a second here, I am going to show you the parts that I got off of eBay. And if I can flip the camera, I'm going to try to flip it. I'll do that. Otherwise, I'm going to have to start and restart.